Got some pig feet. Look at the price. Okay. Look at the price. Guys, I am using pig feet, cooking some pig feet. But listen, go ahead and soak, if you can, soak your pig feet in some vinegar, or wash it down in some lemon juice. I generally use vinegar juice just to get all the impurities out, so make sure you do that. But I'm showing what I am working with. I'm having some pig feet, and I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of apple cider. These are the things I'm using in it. Apple cider vinegar, some cayenne pepper. This is what I'm using, black pepper. You can use some celery if you have celery. I have some celery salt, but I don't want to use the celery salt. I don't have any fresh celery. So, but just to let you know what you can put in it. But this is what I'm putting in it. A little apple cider vinegar. I only add it when it's already cooked down. Then I add a little bit of it. Then I'm going to have cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, and a little bit of salt. So that's what we're putting in. These are the leading stars. Okay, these are the actors and actresses. Okay, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, black pepper, some garlic powder, some paprika, and some salt. And I'm going to use some peppers. I'm going to use some peppers when they come in. Okay. And I'm going to use some bell pepper. Make sure you wash your vegetables out. Wash them off. And onion. Okay, so make sure you wash all your vegetables, and make sure you wash your pig feet in some vinegar. Let it soak for a little while in some vinegar. Okay, just to get all the impurities out. Okay, I'm soaking them in some vinegar. Okay, y'all can use some vinegar, lemon juice, whatever. I use vinegar to soak mine in. Let it soak before you cook it. Get all the impurities out, then wash it off. Again and again and again and again. Okay, guys, remember to soak it in some vinegar and wash it real good. The pig feet, okay? The way you want it seasoning, guys. In a pot. In the pot. I'm gonna let it sit in here for a few minutes and let it cook under the oil a little bit. Then I'm gonna add some water. I like mine fine on the side for a little while. I'm gonna go ahead and add some grease. At least I'm gonna add some water. Then I'm gonna let it cook long. I'm gonna add all my other vegetables. Add all your vegetables, guys. You add the green peppers, whatever you put in there, green pepper, celery, if you have the celery, onions, and, oh, excuse me, excuse me, onions, green peppers, and I'm adding the hot peppers for mine. That's what I'm doing. Because if you don't want all the heat, you can skip the hot peppers, okay? I'm going to get ready to add water. Start adding the water, guys. You put a lid over it, just let it cook until it's done, guys. Add water to it, guys, and cover it. If you feel like you need to add a little more seasoning, you can go ahead and add some more seasoning on top of that. And sprinkle a little bit of salt. Whatever you feel like you need, a little pinch of this, a little pinch of that. But y'all see the seasoning that I've used. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add me a little bit of vinegar now. Just a little bit. Yes, you can. Add a little bit of this. Add a little bit of that. Guys, this is so good. Look at it. It is so delicious. Oh my God. Woo. So good. I just go ahead and let it stew down. Cover it back up and let it stew down. Or leave it open. However you cook your food. Okay? But just cover it up. Leave it open. Just let it stew down until it's done. This is going to take about 2.5 hours. 2.5 to 3 hours. Cook it down as much as you can the way you like it. Some people like a little pull to it. I just like it just melt in my mouth. So however you want to do it. Y'all know that look good. You already know. You already know. This is the finished product. This is the finished product.